Getting called out to a house here. Let's see. Now what happened? Someone hit it? Okay, so you got a roller off here. I put it back on, but it's missing a piece. Okay, this little piece here is what's broken. And it goes right up in here, but I gotta change this bottom fixture out tomorrow. You see the roller is all wobbly here? Yeah. So I gotta do that. I am back to this job. I'm gonna put one of these little electrical things around one of the rollers. I'll show you what I'm doing. On the bottom fixture, one side of it broke off, so it's kind of floppy in there. So I'm gonna just put this on one side of it to hold it straight. Total for both these little packages with the self-tappers is $3. I'm actually gonna film it when I'm doing it, so. You wanna just push the button? Yeah. And then I'll open it up. All right. You see on the ground there, it's bent with the concrete. It's wider over here than it is over here. They hit it with the car. Okay, thanks. All right. All right, that's all I'm doing. Instead of changing the bottom fixture, I'm just gonna use these. We'll put one of these on there. Come over here, check this out. So I'm gonna take this leg out right here, right there. Now this hole, I'm gonna drill that one out. No, I'm good. I got it. You don't have a remote, do you? No. No. What?
So you're doing your cardio right now.
Oh, my cardio. No, I wanted to see the little light. Which one? And someone's worked on it before. They put all these screws in it.
Okay.
So someone hit it before. So.
My first time. So I think with sell, because that's bent.
Because then, all right. That's
Thank
good.
you so
All right.
much.
All right. Thanks. Okay, I just finished that job. I got $5.99. They zelled it to me. I basically just put those little screws on. I did a couple little alignments and little lube, but that took me about 30 minutes. $5.99 for $3 worth of parts, and they were very happy. That's $600 in like 30 minutes. And now I'm off to the next one. Anyway, I showed you guys this one here on the remote controls we have. These here, I always offer them now to people. I only showed you the black one. That's why I wanted to show you the silver one. I'll show you it again. They come in silver. Oop. They come in silver as well. Whenever I go to a job and people need new remote controls, I always offer them, like they lose the remote, or I always ask them, you know, sometimes I say, oh yeah, the remote, if I'm doing a repair, and they usually don't have them or whatever, I always say, hey, they got these new ones. I've been telling them that lately, and I've been selling those for like $3.19 for the main unit. The radio receiver, the transformer, and the remote, it comes with one. And then if you get a second remote, I charge an additional $79 for that one. So I end up getting $300 and something for it. You guys can do the same thing too. People love these little remotes. Tell them about how safe they are. Nobody can get into your house if you leave your car parked outside. So anyway, these are great to have. You can call me direct at 415-637-7514 or schedule a call at www.garagedoortrainingtool.com. So anyway, over and out. I will see you on the next repair. I'll catch you. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.